Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another wig install. Y'all, this is another beginner friendly one. Like, it's easy install. It's a bust down with literally minimum baby hair. Don't talk about whole braids. She like a runaway slave to y'all. But anyway, I'm back. I know y'all miss me because I haven't gone for a minute, but I'm trying to be more consistent because I'm out of school I'm out of school for like another month or so. So, I'm trying to get this right. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But first things first, you want to get that ball cap on and melt it. Now, I cannot do ball caps. Everybody who know me know that is not my strong place. But I do what it do. I try and I make it work. So first thing I did, and y'all saw the button back on, but it's fine. I got the ball cap down. After you get the ball cap down, you need to sew the cap down. Well, you don't have to, but I sew my cap down. I sew it down going across the middle of the head because when it's time to get a touch up, sometimes people wigs don't need to be taken up all the way. But in that case that it doesn't need to be taken up all the way, you don't have to literally take the whole wig off to do the touch up, if that makes any sense. It probably don't, but it makes sense to me. Anyway, back to the video. I'm gonna let y'all just look at the rest of this ball cap part and I'm gonna come out when it's time to apply the wig. Okay, so for the makeup, I use Ruby Kisses in level 16 on the cap and on the wig. So now all I'm doing is fitting the wig, making sure it fits. So after I get done putting that glue, I can just lay it down and it be right in place. Because sometimes you put on used wigs and they be off a little bit. But y'all get what I'm saying. But try not to pull the wig back after you do that because it will get off center. But I'm kind of used to it now, so I know where to pull it. So I know you guys don't want to see it, but all I'm doing is adding a track into her hair because she wanted the wig thicker. But I didn't show it because I already showed it in one of my videos already. But after this, all I'm finna do is detangle the hair and straighten it. And then that's really it, y'all. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and tell me what you guys think.
How you want to look?